Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Creator Z16P B12 U 16-inch Creator notebook PC. So friend, MSI launched the Creator Z16P B12 U, a 16-inch laptop PC packed with the Core i7-12700H processor. And friend, the liquid crystal display features a 16:10 aspect ratio and WQXGA resolution 2560 into 1600 dots, and friend, it allows pen input through MSI's own active stylus. And friend, additionally, the CPU is a Core i7-12700H hybrid architecture. The GPU is a GeForce RTX 3070 Ti laptop GPU, allowing for creative work that demands PC performance, can be processed without causing undue stress. And friend, the primary specifications are 32GB DDR5 storage, 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, and IEEE 802.11a, B, G, and ACAX wireless LAN plus Bluetooth 5.2 compatibility. And friend, the interface include a 2.07 million pixel web camera and SD card reader. And friend, the Thunderbolt 4x1 USB 3.2 Gen.2 Type-C1 USB 3.2 Gen.2 Type-A1 and headphone output and mic input combination jack into one. And friend, the battery has a capacity of 90 hour, 4 cells, 5700 mAh and measures 359 mm in width, 256 mm in depth, 19 mm in thickness. And friend, weighs about 2.39 kg. And friend, Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed as the operating system. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.